Alright, so here we are back again at the build. And what we're doing now is strapping the ceiling. And that has a couple of purposes. It'll take and tie in all the trusses, which goes to help make the floor even more solid. It gives a nice place to put the ceiling onto, a wider place. The strapping's 2.5 inches, as opposed to a truss that's only 1.5 inches. Plus it gives a little place to run some wires if we have to, without having to drill through the truss. So anyway, you can go with us. I'm probably going to have to speed it up because we're just going to let it go while Linda and I are taking and putting this stuff up.
Hello everybody.
Alright, so back again. You can see we've got a lot of it out. I ran out of strapping. I thought I'd ordered enough. So anyway, we'll end it here, and what I'm going to do is probably start another video. I'm working on the staircase to get up to the loft, and I might film a little bit of that. You can see I've got a landing. We're going to try to use some of the old wood from the house, but 4 steps up to the landing, and then another 10 steps up to the loft. And it's about a 6.5 inch step, maybe 6 3/4. So it's a pretty comfortable step.
Okay, quick walkthrough. The stairs that I've been working on are pretty much complete, at least wise till we start doing the finish work. And you can see the nice even step all the way up to the loft. And there'll be probably 2 bedrooms up here. One small one here. A little bit of a bathroom, and then a bigger bedroom there, and that'll, of course, a window. So that'll be pretty nice. And downstairs, we've completed the walls. This is the living room, will be the living room and kitchen. Kitchen in that corner there. There'll be a sunroom across the front, and then living room will be right in here. And then a little bit of a hall. If you look at the floor, you can see a little bit of a hall. This will be a closet under the stairs. And then you come in, the first doorway will be into the bathroom. Door on the right will be into the master bedroom. There'll be a little bit of a pantry closet at the end of the bathroom. And then the last room, which was originally going to be a bedroom, but we really need a utility room for all the water pump, water heater, washer, dryer, that kind of stuff. And then in the bedroom here, the only other wall that we had was this corner. There's a closet. There's probably 3 by 6, something like that. Be good enough for camp. And then, of course, a couple of windows to look out. Okay, that's a progress update.
All right, thanks for watching, and we'll be back with more later.